In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate and enhance your Google site by adding new pages and subpages. Google Sites is a fantastic tool for creating simple yet professional-looking websites without the need for any coding knowledge. By learning how to add pages or subpages, you can organize your content more effectively, making your site intuitive and user-friendly. So let's dive right in and get started. Firstly, you'll want to head over to your Google site. As always, ensure you're logged into your Google account to access all of its features seamlessly. Your homepage is the starting point where we'll begin this journey. Once on your Google site, you'll see multiple options in the right side toolbar. From here, we want to focus on the Pages tab, which you'll find conveniently located on this toolbar. This is the heart of all organizational activity on your site. After clicking on Pages, you'll notice an interface showing the current structure of your site in a sequential manner. To add a new page, look for the pluses button. This button is like your gateway to expanding your website's architecture. By clicking it, a new box pops up, prompting you to name your new page. Give it a name that clearly represents the content you'll be hosting there. This new page will automatically be added to your site's navigation, making it easily accessible to your visitors. But let's say you're looking to create a hierarchy within your content. This is where subpages come into play. Creating subpages is useful for grouping related content under a broader topic, enhancing the navigation experience. To add a subpage, locate the main page under which you wish to group your new content. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to this page. From the drop-down menu, select Add Subpage. This will again bring up a window asking for the name of the subpage. Once you've entered an appropriate name, confirm, and voila, your subpage is created. It's neatly tucked under its parent page, helping to maintain a clean, structured appearance on your site. Additionally, you might find situations where you want to link to another external site or another page within your site. For this, you'll again start by clicking that trusty plus button, but this time opt for Add Link. You'll be prompted to enter a link name and the URL you want it to point to. This creates a direct line to resources, enhancing the usability and reach of your site. And just like that, with these straightforward steps, you're done. You've successfully added new pages and subpages, making your Google site more organized and user-friendly. Experiment with these features as they really allow your creativity to shine while keeping your site structure logical and intuitive. Enjoy organizing your content and giving your visitors a seamless experience. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you make the most out of Google's suite of tools. Happy site building!